Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul AIDA binti Abdul Rashid from AS2294A. So today I'm going to present about Module 1, Introduction to ArcGIS. For the objective of this lab, the first one is able to apply ArcGIS software. The second one is able to familiarize components in ArcGIS, and the third one is able to recognize geospatial data.
Okay, we open the R map, right click to folder connection and connect to folder, and then we choose our file that we want to use to do our work, and then click OK. Okay, the next step is click your folder and then scroll down and choose Road Clam Valley shapefile and drag to the preview. Okay. And then right click on the Road Clam Valley at the table of content, and then open attribute table, and we can see the detail of the Road Clam Valley. Next part, we are going to do create file geo database, future dataset, and future class. Okay, right click on our data, and then pick new, and then pick file geo database, and rename the file as module 1. Okay, the next step, right click on the module 1 file geo database, pick new, and then choose future dataset, and then name it as area, and then choose the coordinate, which is WGS 1984, and then click next. Next, right click on the new, and then pick future class, and then pick future class multiple. And then for the input features, pick the MYS ADM shapefile and Klang Valley HHP. And then click OK, and then wait until future class have finished to finish. Okay, the last step is click on the file and save as the file in desired folder. Rename the file as module 1. Okay, for the next part is organization of our map, beginning with a blank project, and then at catalog, open our file, and then drag Klang Valley into the preview, and also drag Road Klang Valley to the table of content. Right click on Road Klang Valley and open the attribute table, and also right click on Klang Valley and open attribute table. We also can change the color of Klang Valley. Right click on the color, and you can pick any color that you like. Same goes to Road Klang Valley. Right click on the color of the line, and then we can choose any color that we like.
Okay, for the first practical highlight, define the difference of three components of ArcGIS desktop in terms of interface and function. For the first one is ArcMap. The interface, a layout that show region and content menu bar. And the function is to create, edit, view, and analyze geospatial data. For the second one is ArcCatalog. The interface show folder that contain document to be used, and the function is to arrange data and integrating information in many forms. The third one is our toolbox. The interface consists of tools that can be used for GIS analysis, and the function is to integrated application that provide tools for data conversion, geoprocessing, and more. Okay, for the next question, how to arrange data at ArcCatalog. Okay, first when we open the ArcMap, click catalog icon, and then right click folder connection and click connect to folder and choose your folder and click button OK. Okay, for the next question, identify layer into different type of vector data. Okay, as we can see here, this is polygon, and for example, Klang Valley polygon is a type of vector data. For the next one, we have line, as we can see here in this picture. For example, line, road of Klang Valley, and the last one, as we can see, point. For example, school or public telephone. Okay, for the next question, identify individual features and list attribute contain only single features. For the first one, we have point. Point data most commonly used to show non-adjacent features and discrete data. Therefore, we can measure neither length or area with this dataset. And point have zero dimension. So the example for point is school or bridge. For the next one is line. Line used to represent linear features, and it has one dimension and can be used to measure length, and it have starting and ending point, and it represent linear features. And the example is river, trail, street, and road. Okay, for the last one is polygon. Polygon used to represent areas such as boundary of a city. Polygon have two-dimensional, and therefore it can be used to measure area and parameter of a geographical area. Okay, for the next question, choose any features and describe the information from the attribute table. As we can see from the attribute table, the first column is vector data type, which is polygon. And the second column is country code number, which is 136. And the next column is country code name, MYS. And the next column is country name, which is Malaysia. And the next column is state code number 12. And the next column is state name, which is Selangor. And the next column is district code number 146, 145, 148, 153. And next column is district name. We have Gombak, Hulu Langat, Klang, and Shah Alam. And then we have at the last column we have a smaller district name, which is Hulu Langat. Okay, in conclusion, I was able to apply ArcGIS software. I was able to familiarize component in ArcGIS, and lastly, I was able to recognize geospatial data. That's all from me. Thank you.